Hello everyone, it's Sunday the 8th of May 2022. I've been to the local car boot sale this morning and didn't get very much. Here is what I got. I met a seller who was selling his dad's tools. His dad had been in the motor trade and was getting a bit elderly, so no longer uses tools. So from this chap I bought a hammer with half a handle and a useful set of clamp locking pliers. They were £1 each. Another red handle screwdriver, this one has a Phillips tip, 50p. A soldering iron, which is plugged in, testing it at the moment. Definitely works. This is old, it's a Wolf brand. I don't know if you're familiar with Wolf, but they made quality tools in the past, and I'm not entirely sure, but I think they might have been associated with Makita at one point. It's a 75 250 volt 75 watt iron. I'm not going to touch it, sorry. Yeah, did I say that was £1? Turn it off. And last couple of things, a twist drill, useful for jewellers. The only trouble with this is it's got a very small socket for putting bits in, although I'm sure if you're a specialist you would know where to get hold of such things. Might donate this to my daughter's boyfriend who does a bit of jewellery making. And another set of calipers, external calipers this time, in good condition. Can't see a maker's mark underneath the patina. We'll be having a look later. And so 50p each. That was my haul for the day. Not very much, as I say. However, I don't know what's got into Mrs. H, but let me show you what she bought. A toolbox. I don't know what came over, as I say, but she says she wants this toolbox for herself now, and it came with all its contents for a £5. So we have, let's put it to one side and empty the contents onto the table. Some hardware, a pair of brass hinges, some cable clips and a bolt. An enormous quantity of screwdrivers, including that. This one appears to be a multi-tool with a couple of multi-bit screwdriver, multi-tip screwdriver. Of Hilkers. They're the same model number, slightly different versions. And all that looks like some kind of fuse, but I don't know what it's from. If anybody knows, be interested to hear. A jeweler's screwdriver, nice triangular file. This might be a paring knife, I guess. More screwdrivers. That's an unusual design with a stubby handle but a longer shaft. Two similar. These two are both Clay. Never heard of that brand before. A bag of hex or Allen keys. Quite a lot in there. Some brown wall plugs, some tool clips, new old stock pliers, deal tool for you. Nice red covered handles on that one. And Hilker pliers. A couple of brass brushes, or brass and steel. A couple of junior hacksaws, one of which is a clips. A couple of chisels. This one is marbles. Paint scraper. Some pincers. A cold chisel. A paint tin opener. A 3-in-1 knife, a blade on that side, a serrated edge and a bottle popper, a beaten up scraper, water pump pliers, more screwdrivers. This one's a flat blade, a putty knife with some kind of thing stuck on it, and then quite a long handled Stanley screwdriver with a posi drive head. And that's pretty much it. So now she's got all those tools, I'm going to set her to work around the house. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.